You are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats. Come see the car for yourself.